Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide clock behind objects on your lock screen on iPhone 17. You can see now I'm on my lock screen. Technically I'm in the notification center, not the lock screen, but it doesn't matter, both are fine. And when you press and hold on it, you can customize or add a new wallpaper. I'm gonna customize this one first, and now I can, for example, expand the clock. And why I'm expanding is because I want to show you how it hides behind this circle. And this is called the depth effect on your wallpaper. So as you can see right here, it sort of hides behind an object on my lock screen, and this is how it works. It also is available in standard sized clock, but it depends on the wallpaper. So now I'm actually gonna try canceling that and adding a new wallpaper, and I'm gonna go to photos. Let's see if I have any photos that would be great for that kind of wallpaper with the depth effect. I'm just gonna find a photo and I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, I have selected the photo, and as you can see, this photo is sort of something that may let my clock hide. Yeah, as you can see, it works. If I wanted to disable that, or if it's disabled and I want to enable it, I need to either click on three dots here and find depth effect, or in some cases it'll be on the left side, just this icon of like these two squares from a perspective hovering over each other. And now, as you can see, when I'm zooming in on the wallpaper, because when I'm zoomed out, it would only hide behind the objects if I really extended the clock height. But if I want to do it with the standard clock height, then I can do it by just zooming in on the wallpaper. Of course, there's some limits. You can't really do it like that because that would hide the whole clock. But when you do it, for example, like that, then you can see a part of the clock is hidden behind these buildings. Now, I would actually like it if it was sort of like that. Okay, yeah. If it was sort of like that, and if I just slightly extended the clock up to this level, and of course you can do way more with the wallpaper. You could change the font, but remember, only this first font has an option to be stretched down. Now I'm gonna make it a bit thinner because I think it's gonna be more modern, and you know, these buildings look modern, so I think I prefer it that way. And yeah, you can do way more with the wallpaper, of course, but I'm just gonna click on add, and I can set it as wallpaper per or customize the home screen. I think I'm gonna customize the home screen, and maybe I'll just unblur it and click on done. Okay, let's set it. You can see it is there and it works. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.